Hello, Devyanka.
Yeah, hi.
Welcome to Glitz Vision Teleterka.
Thank you so much.
From Vidya of Banu Mein Teri Dulhan to Ishita Bhalla of Ye Hai Mohabbatein, how satisfying
hmm
has the journey been?
It's been a beautiful journey till now. In fact, the journey has been basically I've gone through varieties of roles,
Yeah.
and I got to explore my talent a lot in the last few years. Like Dulhan was a very subdued, subtle, and a very timid girl.
Mm-hmm.
But as far as this girl is concerned, Ishita, she's a very today's woman.
Mm-hmm.
She's standing on her own feet, a very well established dentist, and still a homemaker. So
Yeah.
there's a lot of variety that I get to play in this character.
Yeah. You have done comedy shows as well in reality, right? I think
Right,
Comedy
right,
Circus, I remember. Yeah.
right. I did.
Yeah.
So they were like, they were like my school.
Mm-hmm.
Generally, we take sabbaticals and other lines of work.
Mm-hmm.
So it was like a sabbatical phase for me.
Mm-hmm.
The reason being, like when I was doing Dulhan, it was a hardcore drama.
Mm-hmm.
Then I needed something different, and I wanted to explore a different kind of work that Divyanka can do.
Mm-hmm.
And there came in comedy, and it was a refreshing change. And I feel that whatever I'm able to do with Ishita, it's because of this comedy phase that I had.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I discovered a very different actor in me.
Yeah. And in ये है मोहब्बत है like comedy भी है drama भी है, it's like all essence, yeah, so it's fun. Yeah, it's fun
Now
to
I
do.
have a complete masala,
Yeah.
a masala actor.
Yeah, but आपने सभी almost कर लिया, right?
You ask me for a particular expression and I will be able to give it. I'm
हाँ.
gone.
Yeah. So the second question is, yeah, ये है मोहब्बतें was on to
Uh-huh.
some extent different from the other daily soaps, but now it's adopted the usual stuff we have had over the years. What do you think is the reason behind this?
Um, I don't know. I beg to differ actually,
Mm-hmm.
because still the usual stuff is not as usual.
Mm-hmm.
जितना कि दूसरे shows में होता है, like our show is still pretty much different. Because
Hmm.
firstly, our storyline doesn't drag. We don't have
Yeah.
one such storyline which stretches and stretches and stretches, and you get bored to death. It's not
Huh.
like that in our show.
Yeah.
Thankfully, our show has a very good speed,
Hmm.
which is like very good for the audience. Like when the audience switches on our show, they would
Mm-hmm.
never feel like, oh, when will the scene end? It's never like that in our show. It's crisp. So
Ah.
it is really different from other shows.
Mm-hmm.
Then, yes, I agree that we do have a kind of a family drama
Mm-hmm.
going on in our show. But then I think our show is very realistic.
Mm-hmm.
And which family is there which doesn't have dramas in it? Like
Mm-hmm.
every family fights. Every
Yeah.
family has their own problems,
Exactly.
their own set of problems, and every family has gray people. Nobody
Mm-hmm.
is very good, nobody is very bad.
Exactly.
So even our show has a lot of grayness around. So I think it's
Ah.
a very today's show, and we don't show anything regressive. We don't have a star torturing a bahu, nothing like
Ah.
that. In fact, in our show, the mother-in-law is always standing beside this daughter-in-law,
Mm-hmm.
supporting her,
Mm-hmm.
and it is something very unusual. So
Hmm.
I totally beg to differ.
नो नो
Our
थोड़ा
show is
मतलब
not a
आपसे मैं
run-of-the-mill show.
या आपसे मैं मतलब एग्री हूँ इस बात की कि इट्स नॉट ड्रैग टू लॉन्ग लाइक फॉर टू लॉन्ग एंड मतलब जो भी
What
आप
have
लोग
we
ट्रैक
tried?
शुरू करते हो इट्स नॉट लाइक
Uh-huh.
गोइंग ऑन एंड पीपल गेट बोर इट जस्ट starts and end in few days or something like that. So yeah, and जो आपने बोला वो भी बिल्कुल ट्रू था कि हर
Uh-huh.
जगह थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम्स in every family has,
बिल्कुल,
and yeah,
like अभी
so it's
ongoing अभी ट्रैक चल रहा है जिसमें रोमी एंड हम सब लोग लड़ाई कर रहे हैं.
हाँ हाँ
बेसिकली ऐसा हो रहा है कि एक छोटी सी बात रिंकी ने निकाली, उसको लगा कि उसका भाई बायस्ड है या उसका भाई उसके पति की केयर नहीं कर रहा, एंड एक के बाद एक बात बढ़ती गई। फिर वैसे ही अभी रोमी को कुछ गलत फहमियों के कारण लगा कि उसका भाई या उसकी भाभी एक्चुअली, मतलब मैं जानबूझ के उसका करियर आगे नहीं बढ़ाना चाहती हूँ। बट इफ आई लुक बैक, जब हम सीन कर रहे थे या जब मैं पढ़ रही थी, आई रियलाइज्ड दैट दिस थिंग हैपेंस एंड यहाँ हो जाती है, और जब होती है ना तो कोई, ज्यादातर लोग सेंसिबली उस समय रिएक्ट नहीं करते। ज्यादातर लोग ऐसा होता है कि एक बंदा बोलता है और दूसरा बढ़कर कुछ बोलता है और तीसरा उस एक को सपोर्ट करने के लिए बोलता है। इस तरह से डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स बन जाते हैं, लड़ाइयाँ होने लगती हैं,
सही,
एंड थिंग्स जस्ट गो आउट ऑफ हैंड।
True.
This is how separations happen in family. This is how many problems are created, and I think it's something so normal, so natural. हर परिवार में ऐसे लोग लड़ते हैं।
Exactly. Yeah, that happens.
लेकिन क्या होता है ना, हम सोचते हैं कि अरे ऐसे क्या होता है, थोड़ी ना होता है, because we want everything rosy.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, it happens in every family. So I think it's something so relevant in our lives that people will like it.
हाँ, नहीं ये तो है, you are true, and I'm agree with you because थोड़ा बहुत हर जगह होता है, और जिस मतलब हमेशा ज़्यादा इसलिए लगता है शोज़ में बिकॉज डेली आप देख रहे हैं एंड देन आपको लगता है कि
अरे क्या होता है ना, सीधी बात है, जब अपने घर की खुद की लड़ाई होती है ना या हम जब खुद कहीं लड़ रहे हो, हमको कभी वो लड़ाई एबनॉर्मल नहीं लगती।
नहीं,
हमको लगता है यार प्रॉब्लम है तो है, हम लड़ेंगे नहीं तो क्या बोलेंगे, ऑब्वियसली ऐसे कोई हमसे बोलेगा तो हम ऐसे ही रिप्लाई करेंगे ना। जब हम अपनी बात करेंगे तो हमेशा नॉर्मल लगता है, लेकिन जब भी हम एज अ थर्ड पार्टी किसी और को लड़ते हुए देखते हैं या किसी और को हम किसी तकलीफ में देखते हैं, हमको हमेशा लगता है यार इतना क्या हो रहा है यार, ना भी अभी इतना क्या लड़ना है, इट्स ओके यार, वी शुड जस्ट काम डाउन। जब वो थर्ड पार्टी की बात होती है ना, ऑलवेज वी फील लाइक दैट कि यार नहीं ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है, कम ऑन जस्ट चिल। तो मतलब जो ऑडियंस पर्सपेक्टिव है वो थर्ड पार्टी पर्सपेक्टिव है हमेशा। उनको ये लगेगा यार ये क्या हो रहा है, बट एक्चुअली इफ दे प्लेस देमसेल्व्स ओवर देयर, दे बी लाइक हाँ यार हम तो ऐसे ही करते हैं, you know, and thankfully in our show people do connect, that's why we feel कि हाँ, मतलब मेरे कितने सारे सिनेरियो ऐसे रहे हैं सिचुएशंस, लाइक बीच में एक आदि का ट्रैक आया था, many people were saying कि बच्चों का रोमांस दिखा रहे हैं, ये क्या हो रहा है, बट एक्चुअली many people confessed कि हाँ अगर कोई मदर होती तो वो इसी तरह से अपने बेटे को लेके, मतलब मदर्स कन्फेस, हाँ मुझे भी अपने बेटे के लिए यही टेंशन होती थी यार कि वो कहीं कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर रहा है, पूरे टाइम उस पर निगरानी रखना, उसका मतलब उसके आगे पीछे घूमना कि कहीं कुछ प्रॉब्लम, या बेटियों के आगे पीछे घूमना कि लड़का आ तो नहीं रहा है, छेड़ तो नहीं रहा है, यू नो ऑल दोस थिंग्स। मदर्स डू फील लाइक दैट फॉर देयर टीनेज सन और डॉटर्स, and children, they do get these crushes and all. Few things do look unnatural, but people do connect. क्योंकि उनको अचानक लगता है कि यार हाँ मेरी फैमिली में तो यही हो रहा है, या मैं भी तो बचपन में यही करती थी, गलती से एडल्ट फिल्म देख लिया, फिर मम्मी पापाओं से डरना, all this is so natural. No, and that's what we show in our show.
No, because I'm agree with you. So वो होती है,
in fact our show is like we try to educate people.
Exactly.
हम ये नहीं करते कि हम रिग्रेशन में छोड़ दें, हम लोगों को एजुकेट करते हैं कि अगर ऐसा आपका टीनेजर बच्चा कर रहा है तो दिस इज हाउ यू शुड रिएक्ट, you should stand by their side, you should keep, but still you should keep an eye on them. आपको अटेंटिव होना चाहिए जब आपकी फैमिली में ऐसी प्रॉब्लम आए। जैसे अभी हमारे इसमें जो ट्रैक चल रहा है करंट, अगर ऐसी प्रॉब्लम आती है तो कोशिश करें कि at times it's better not to react. At times it's better if you look bad in front of others, you know, आप अगर पीछे दिख रहे हो दूसरों के सामने, बेटर है बजाय इसके कि आप भी उस लड़ाई में एंटर करो और झगड़ा बढ़ जाए। Like, you know, we kind of leave behind a social message every time. And I'm happy that somehow we are affecting the society.
Yeah, true. There is a general notion that meaningful roles were hard to come by while doing television. What are your comments?
I don't know. I don't think so actually. I don't think so, because till now I have done whatever characters I have done. They have been very effective till now. They have touched people's lives.
Mm-hmm.
and people have connected well with me.
Mm-hmm.
And I feel it depends on our choices, and it
Exactly.
also depends on how desperate are we to get any role. Like
Exactly.
I've got a variety of roles, but I didn't pick up any of those. I chose to be Ishita,
Mm-hmm.
and I chose to actually wait for 1 year to be this Ishita.
Mm.
The show I signed in 2013 Jan,
Uh-huh.
and the show went on air in December 2013.
Mm.
So you can imagine that I waited for 1 year for this one show. So it's
Mm.
not that good characters don't come in. They do, but we have to wait for them. Like as actors, as an actor, I had to wait for it, and I did.
Hmm. नहीं इशिता का करेक्ट
And
मतलब आई हैव
there's
वॉच्ड
one more thing.
हम्म
There's one more thing. On television, it's more of demand and supply. You
हम्म
know, it's not that the producers don't want to cater good output or maybe good serials or good characters. It's nothing like that. People working here are very intelligent, very creative.
yeah
They totally know their jobs and they want to give the best kind of entertainment. But at times the hands are tied because the audiences want certain things. You know, it's a medium where TRPs matter a
yeah
lot. And if the if the demand is such that people want to see certain kind of characters, then howsoever much makers want, they cannot produce a very different kind of serial.
yeah
So it's a very audience-oriented industry.
yeah I understand that because like for us we were like we lose the interest sometime when we see something and we were like what's going on here, but for the Indian audience over there they need all this drama and all this like
Yeah,
things,
like
but
many of
yeah
my friends, they complain.
hmm.
They say, why the hell do they show such shows which are in which the women are being treated like this, or maybe in which the woman is just crying, or the Sasuma is just
yeah
saying dialogues in slow motion and the dialogues are not ending,
yeah
and all these extreme dramas. And I'm
yeah
like, people like you, like people like my friends who are too sensible and who are like very calculative
yes
and who understand, and in fact who are very educated and very, I should not use the word educated. People like this who are,
yeah
these people are just like maybe not more than 10% of Indian audience. They are not more than 10%.
yeah
Rest of the 90% audience wants all this. They want to see Kani Ghar Ghar. No, not the name of the show.
I know
Yeah. But they want to see such shows. That's why such shows are being catered.
yeah
Otherwise, why would we make such shows, and why would such shows be, why would they be telecasted on such amazing channels?
हाँ क्योंकि हमको लगता है बिकॉज वी थिंक ओ इट्स फॉर अस, अरे ये ऐसे ड्रामा है तो ये कहानी ऐसी है, तो हमको लगता है हम रिलेट करें, बट देन लेटर व्हेन वी सी ड्रामा एंड वी वर लाइक नहीं ये दूसरी ऑडियंस को ज़्यादा मतलब टीआरपी तो वहीं से मिलती है ना, they like
and it's a blessing for us actually that the show is being watched abroad and it's being watched in the metro cities of India as well. So
exactly
much. Otherwise, generally these shows, like show of our kind, or any show actually, any of the daily soaps, they're not watched much in the metros and all. So generally metros वगैरह में shows नहीं देखे जाते होते daily soaps and all. But we are really lucky that our show is being appreciated all across India.
No, it's
so I think it's because of the content that we are delivering.
Yeah, and then also the bonding of all of you, like all the actors, it seems really good, like off screen and on screen. You guys are fabulous. So I think that also the reason that people enjoy. First, okay, there is a question from your fan Tanu. Let me ask her question. She asked, do you enjoy the funnier parts of Raman issue, angle, or dramatic one?
Oh, I love the funny parts. Every time we fight, the funny fights actually. Whenever we do any funny fight or no joke,
Mm-hmm.
I like after the shortest cut, I keep laughing and laughing. I
Mm.
enjoy, having such cute fights between him and me.
Yeah. And that's why it comes really good. Yeah.
True that.
And there is one more question from her. What have been the five most important influence in your life?
Okay, so I think it would be the adventurous and a very disciplined side of my father,
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Narendra Tripathi,
Mm-hmm.
who used to be an NCC cadet in his time and used to be a very disciplined person and wanted to be um, something in Navy and all. And as I followed his footsteps and I came into NCC. I did Republic Day camp and I learned rifle shooting and whatnot. And I became a very confident person
Mm-hmm.
because of whatever my father was.
Mm-hmm.
Then my mother. The creative side of my mother has also influenced me a lot. My mother was into writing and she was into modeling
Mm-hmm.
and she had like won a few pageants in her college and wanted to do a lot. And this
Mm-hmm.
creative side of hers influenced me to
Mm.
be this actress.
Okay.
Had I not been an actress, I would have been an army officer. So
Yeah.
these two people, my mama and papa, they have made a huge difference in my life.
Mm-hmm.
Then what else? What else? Uh, my city, Bhopal.
Mm-hmm.
I really feel that had I not been in Bhopal, I would not have been what I am today
Mm-hmm.
because I got to learn a lot of things being in that city. We have a lot of opportunities to explore ourselves,
Mm-hmm.
and I got that freedom because the city itself was a very free city. In Bhopal, my parents never feared that my daughter cannot go alone outside or she will
Mm-hmm.
be harassed by people and whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Like I had a very free environment. So
Mm.
my city, then I don't remember. Three things are enough, I
Oh,
think.
okay, it's okay. Okay, last question, Devyanka. If you were given the power to swap characters in the show for a day, which character would you play and why?
Swap characters. Oh my
Mm-hmm.
god. Interesting question. Uh, oh god. I would like to be Ravan Bhalla. Why not? Why
Yeah,
not?
he's
I
the
would like to
great.
be him for a day. I would
Yeah.
enjoy, pulling people's legs. I would love to beat people around. I would like to get drunk in the show. I would
Yeah.
like to romance my girl. Yeah, I would like
Yeah.
to be him for a day.
Yeah, I think he's the most interesting character in
Yeah,
the show. So
besides
yeah.
Rishita, it's Raman.
Yeah, definitely. Any messages
Yeah.
to your fans?
I totally love them. I
Mm.
don't know how to thank them for whatever love they have showered on me,
Mm-hmm.
and it means a lot to me. All
Mm-hmm.
this love and all. So,
Mm.
um, I strive hard to to give them what they have given me. I mean, I
Mm-hmm.
try to respond back towards their love,
Mm-hmm.
and I try to be a better performer just for them.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Devyanka, for your time. And it's our pleasure that you have give us time and all.
Thanks
And
a lot. Thanks a
yeah,
lot. You have a good time. It was
yeah,
lovely talking to you.
yeah, same
Bye.
here. Bye bye.
Bye.